This lesson is a first step in the Hausa heritage learning path. One of the best ways to begin Hausa is to listen first. Don't worry about being perfect. Listen first, then say the word out loud. This lesson comes with a free PDF guide and audio companions, so you are not just watching once and forgetting the words. You can download the guide, listen again, practice the sounds, and return to the lesson in your own time. The free guide is called Hausa First Words and Counting, and you can find it through the link in the description. Hausa is written in the Latin alphabet, so many letters will look already familiar. Let's begin with 3 hooked letters. Ba, a, ka. These look like a B, a D, and a K, but the sounds are not the same. A B goes ba, a hooked B goes ba, a D goes da, a hooked D goes da, a K goes ka, a hooked K. A hooked K goes ka. The hook is not decoration, it changes the sound. Ba, as in era, which means a mouse. Era, ra, not bera, but ra. Say it with me. Ra, era. Good. Now, the hooked D. Ra. Listen. Raki. Ra, ki, which means a room. Say it with me. Raki. Ra, ki. Ra, ki. Raki. Good. Now, the hooked K. Ka. Listen to this word. Kofa, which means a door. Kofa. Kofa. Say it with me. Kofa. 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 Good. So we have era for mouse, aki for room, kofa for door. Now there are 2 more sounds to listen for. These are not written in a special alphabet. The first is the apostrophe and Y. The sound is yeah. Listen, yeah, as in empty. Empty means freedom. Empty. 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 Good. The second one is the TS sound. It is one sound. It is not a ts. It is a ts. St. As in, sami. Sa, mi, which means sawa. Sa, mi, sami, sawa. So the 5 sounds are ba, ra, ka, and sa. You do not need to master them today. Just begin to recognize them. Download the audio companion that comes with a PDF attached to this lesson and listen to them again and again and practice them. You can also join our monthly Hausa speaking circle to practice in a group and get feedback. Let's learn 4 very useful first words. The first word is I, which means yes. I. Say it with me. I. Sometimes you'll hear people say instead of I. It's all the same thing. I, O, E is just yes. I. So simple. E. The next word is a. A means no. Say it with me. A. O, a. 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 It's all the same thing. It means no. Good. And then the next one, sanu. Sanu means hello, but it is also a word that you can use to show sympathy when somebody's unwell or when somebody's working hard a lot. When you see them, you can say sanu, sanu, san, nu. Say it with me. Sanu. Good. And then we have sai anjima. Sai anjima. Sai anjima. Sai anjima means goodbye or see you later. Sai anjima. Sai anjima. Good. Now let's put them together. We have I or E for yes, A for no, Sanu for hello, Sai anjima for goodbye. Good. These 4 words can already carry you through a first exchange in Hausa. Then we move on to the question words. Let's learn some small words that help you ask questions. First, ina. Ina means where. Say it with me. Ina. 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 Good. Next, me. Me means what? Me. Say it with me. Me or me. 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 Good. Next, yaushe. Yaushe means when. Say it with me. Yaushe. 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 Good. Next, yaya. Yaya means how. Say it with me. Yaya. Yaya. Ya. Ya. Good. Now we have the word which. In Hausa, the word for which changes depending on gender and number. Wani. Wani is which for a masculine word. Say it with me. Wani. Wani. Good. Next we have wachi, which is which, and that is which for a feminine word. Wachi. 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 Say it with me. Wachi. And for a plural, waɗanne. Waɗanne means which when there is more than one. The hooked D sound is the one we just heard at the beginning of this video. Waɗanne. Waɗanne. Now let's say the question words together. Ina. Where. Me. What. Yaushe. When. Ya. How. Wanne. Which. Masculine. Wachi. Which. Feminine. Waɗanne. Which. Plural. Very good. These small words open the door to many questions. Now let's learn 2 pointing words. None means here. Say it with me. None. 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 Good. Then we have chun, which means there. Say it with me. Chun. 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 None. Here. Chun. There. Good. Now let's count from 1 to 5. Aya means 1. Say it with me. Aya. Raya. Biyu means 2. Say it with me. Biyu. Biyu. Uku means 3. Say it with me. Uku. 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 Hudu means 4. Hudu. Hudu. Notice that hudu has the hooked D sound again. Biyar. 5. Biyar. 5. Biyar. Biyar. Now let's count from 1 to 5. Aya. Biyu. uku, hudu, biyar. Again, ɗaya, biyu, uku, hudu, biyar. Let's continue from 6 to 10. Shida means 6. Shida. 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 Bakwai means 7. Bakwai. 7. Bakwai. Bakwai. Takwas is 8. Takwas. 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 Tara. That's 9. Tara. 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 Then goma is 10. Goma. 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 Now let's count from 6 to 10. Shida. Bakwai. Takwas. Tara. Goma. Now let's put it all together and count from 1 to 10. Ɗaya, biyu, uku, hudu, biyar, shida, bakwai, takwas, tara, goma. Good. Now you can count from 1 to 10 in Hausa. That is a real beginning. You can now say hello, yes, no, goodbye, ask a few questions, point to here and there, and count to 10. Don't be overwhelmed with all these new words. If you would like an easier way to remember these, subscribe for a video coming very soon. If you'd like to practice this lesson properly, download the free guide, Hausa First Words and Counting, from the link in the description. It comes with the words from this video and short audio companions, so you can listen again, repeat the words, and build confidence after the video ends. This lesson is a first step in the Hausa Heritage learning path. In Hausa in Pictures and Practice, Book 1 Foundations, you will go further with pictures, audio, dialogues, cultural notes, and practice, not just disconnected word lists. If you're learning Hausa to reconnect with the language, family, culture, or heritage, welcome. You are in the right place. Subscribe for more beginner Hausa lessons, stories, and heritage learning. Learn the language, discover the traditions, carry the heritage forward. One more thing. Once a month, I host the Hausa Heritage Speaking Circle. It is a small, friendly group that meets live to actually speak Hausa together, out loud, with no pressure, because speech grows through use. If that sounds like your kind of thing, come and join us. The link below tells you how. Sai anjima.